Hey, how's everybody doing? Hope everybody's doing all right. Oh, broken nail. Damn it. So, today's one of those days. I'm pushing myself today. Between today and tomorrow, getting this stuff done for the Civic. Nothing's. Oh no, I lied. The car is on jacks. Got the new. This is pretty right here. This is very, very pretty. Got that side done. The other side, it has a bracket. I'm using paint stripper to strip it out. I'll be here tomorrow to get it done. If it doesn't come all the way off, I'm gonna take it and see how much I can scrape off. That stuff stinks too. What else we got going on today? I am doing rewiring. Nope, I'm not rewiring. Replacing the looms. That's for the wires for the headlights. So I'm going from here. I'm going to here. So these little sleeve tubes are very coming in handy. I do like them because it's kind of, not kind of. It looks very neat and not messy all over the place. What else I have got for this car? Oh yeah. I'm so tired. Excuse me, people. Excuse me. I shouldn't be yawning like that. I don't want to be rude to the company out there. So a new fuel rail, which I have another one. That's gonna replace a lot of stuff that I have up here. I'm trying to replace it as much as possible. Just because I like the car. I would love to do something different with the engine wise, but for right now where it stands at, I do need to keep it where it's at for a little bit, and then we go from there. Like it's about to pour. Hopefully not. This weather is creepy. It rained all last week. I don't need rain this week. What else we doing for this car? I'm getting that done along with the replacing the looms and yes, I've been wearing this hat all day today. I like this hat. It's actually fun. I like it because I can adjust it. Look at that. Look at that. Uh-oh. The sun is kind of blurry. But that's how we doing. Oh. I replaced this one. This is a brand new brake fluid container. Don't quote me on that because that's not what it's called. But anyway, my brain is fried. Can't think today, but it's getting there. Anyway, I am planning to, once I finish up the wire sleeve on I can't even talk to. I'm telling you, it's one of those freaking days today. So once I replace the loom on the wires for the headlights and stuff, I am drawing the hill because I'm gonna do the what they call it, as they say. I don't want to come in the engine. It's gonna be outside the engine. Hitting one. I'm gonna just say hitting. So from there, I gotta figure out. Oh, okay. So I might have to go there. Yeah. So from there, I gotta figure all that stuff out. Oh, I gotta leave that in there. Oops, I'm messing with stuff I ain't supposed to be messing with. So where I am pushing myself. I am very pushing myself for everything I'm doing. What we got? What else is going on with this car? I think I'm just putting little stuff back together as much as possible. I have bolts that we spray painting over, which is fine with me, because everything is costly. is to get a new pair of like bolts and stuff. It's like, oh, just for one bolt, gonna cost you $35. Not for me. Gotta think outside the box. If you know if it's in the budget, it's gonna happen. So this is getting replaced. I already showed you guys the new what's that? The new headers. I just want to clean out all of these. This. Look at this transmission. I gotta figure out what a. Ooh, matter of fact, I'm gonna try this stuff because I had tried it the other time and it actually came clean. I gotta figure a way to clean this. That's adhesive. To clean this. Is this it? I think this is it. Sorry, I'm looking for something. I think I got it. Yo. Sorry, all of my air. Yeah, so I gotta clean. I want to clean this transmission while he's up in the air because that'll be the next step. Let me see if this stuff still is gonna work itself out. Yeah, buddy. I think it is. Okay. I think I never had a problem with that. Okay. Well, I think that's all the case. This is an engine degreaser. Alright. I'm gonna have to go get some more of this stuff. Yep. Oh, look at that bad boy. That sucker. This is what it looks like. Okay. This is dripping. That's gonna be the next move this weekend. Take the heads off, get another degreaser, clean all around the transmission. I don't know, just look at this shit. That looks creepy. So, but I'm getting there. It's getting there. Oh, so. I happened to purchase some tires off of eBay, but that's not the problem. So this car, the Acura I do have, I had for like freaking since 2015, like for like 10 years, 9 years, 10, around there. So anyway, I go to a shop. One shop, I think one shop, I think I said in my last video, I had a problem with it. Instead of him having a conversation with me, well, I think I'm gonna have to get new stock OE, the original rims for this car. You should have come with the 617s. Whoever had this car way before I got this car, they swapped out the rims for 16s instead of keeping the 17s. So now I'm looking for 17 stock. These bad boys. Why look it's really about to pour? Holy schmoly. So I gotta buy another pair of stock OEM Acura rims. I just don't feel like sending this tires back to the seller. And if I do sell them back, it's gonna be a pain in the butt. You gotta wait. So that's gonna be probably next month, which I'll be very excited for because these rims up here just. They need to be upgraded anyway. Actually, let me look around. They are beat up. My rims are all beat up. They look pretty good, but yeah, no, they're starting to peel in. Yep, it's time to get new ones. My car needs a whole. I think this car needs a whole detailed bath. Yo. Are you kidding me right now? Look at this crazy mess. Lucky I'll be inside, but the other part is, oh yeah, this is gonna work itself out. Hell yes. I was trying to find the best way to clean this transmission. I want to respray paint it, but I don't know yet. No, it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. What else we got going on with this car? So Subaru is still sitting chilling on the stands. That's not getting fixed no time soon because I'm not even gonna worry about it no more. I'm done with this car for a while. I just gotta concentrate between the Acura and the Civic. The Civic is more important because I want to really, really, really go in here and just get it done. But I think this is like 70% done. I keep telling myself that because 2020 I did some work on it. Early this year I did some work on it. This time I'm pushing a little bit more, so it's a percentage thing. So it's like, yeah, 70%. I lied. Let me take that back. 30% done and 70% to go. There you go. So not everything is gonna be perfect, which is all right with me. I just want to get it up, running, and have fun with the car. Like I said, I just gotta run and not run. Only thing I have to get with this car is axles and a carpet for it. Other than that, I have other stuff that I can put on. I have gauges that I bought over last year of Christmas. I bought the vinyl last year of Christmas. I caught them suckers on sale. So, and the same color for this vinyl, if I run out, I mean, I'll purchase some more. And I like it because it's a flat green. But where, you know, like I said, you gotta keep doing it. Nobody gonna do it for you but yourself. But it's getting done. You're almost there. What else we got going on? That's pretty much it. So, catch you later. Maybe tomorrow. Actually, tomorrow I am gonna do a vlog. If nobody gonna do it for you, make sure you do it for yourself. Keep subscribing. I know this is gonna be kind of video, but that's okay. I just keep you updated on the Civic because it's getting done. Subscribe, share, like. Other than that, catch you next time. Deuces.